How to redeem a Sephora gift card at checkout. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Sephora.com and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on the product you want to purchase. After you've clicked on the product you want to purchase, here click on Add to Basket at the bottom. After you've clicked on Add to Basket, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Checkout. After you click on Checkout in here, it will lead you to this page. Add your delivery to option, which is first name, last name, your phone number for delivery questions, street address, and zip postal code. After you have added everything, you can simply scroll down, click on Save and Continue, and it will open Payment section. In the Payment section, click on Use a Gift Card. After you click on Use a Gift Card, you'll find Gift Card option, add your gift card number, then the PIN. After you've done that, press on Apply, press on Save and Continue, and you will get a discount according to your gift card. This is how to redeem a Sephora gift card at checkout. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.